Have you ever heard that cracking your knuckles can cause arthritis? Some people use that as an excuse not to seek regular and consistent chiropractic care. Just like turning the dome light on in your car might get you pulled over, or not wearing a hat outside can cause you to get sick, things that we heard when we were kids sometimes just aren't true. Regular and consistent chiropractic care actually does the opposite. It decreases the likelihood for your body to develop arthritis. The analogy I always use is the alignment in the car. The more your alignment is off and the longer it's been that way, the more your tires are going to wear out. The same thing happens in your spine. Keeping regular, consistent alignments is going to get your body healthy naturally, avoid that wear and tear and that arthritis. So keep on cracking, my friends.